Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Paris, France, and I'm going to CoCo's. CoCo's is a famous restaurant and they've got outside and inside buffets and not buffets, brunches and all sorts of different things. And it's Sunday, so it's pretty crazy and it's kind of expensive, but it's good to experience the good stuff sometimes, huh? So I'll have a beer and a cup of water. Bye, I'll be right back. I'll show you the rest of it. Sorry, here we go. So there's the front door, CoCo's, and it's in the Garner Palace, or close to it, right behind it or something, right by the Opera House, Del Opera. But this is the front of it. Let me show you what we got here. I'm gonna see if I can go inside. Everybody's outside now, but if I can get a picture inside. It's very nice. Yeah, very, very, very nice. So I don't know, I'm sure this is top-notch stuff, but do they sell cigars and stuff too? Wow, anyway, okay. We might as well see what we can see, huh? So this is CoCo's, everybody. And this is the outside area. Wow. It's very nice. Wow. Anyway. All right, everybody, just a little flavor so you have an idea of kind of what CoCo's might be like. Very cool. All right, everybody, thanks so much for coming. Bye.